combine and combine. Homographs explained. A combine is a large machine used in farming to harvest crops like wheat. You'll mostly see it called a combine harvester. Combine as a verb is to mix, join, or put things together so they work as one. A combine, the stress is on the first part. Combine. Combine. To combine, the stress is on the second part. Combine. Combine. The new combine helps combine the harvest faster. Visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more homographs.